Under daily transactions, basically we can look at the various transactions that occurred in a given day. We can also backdate and look at the transactions that occurred in a given period of time. We can decide to filter the transactions. We can check with admission number. We can check with a given account the payment method, or you can just key in the transaction code and search for that particular transaction. You can decide to check the transaction depending on the particular year. So for example, right now we are seeing the various transactions. So we have this one transaction that has been recorded today, so that's the only one. Also, under receipting, also from here you can print the various receipts that you had recorded earlier and you're not printed when receiving payments. So you see from here I have this option of print, and if I just click on this, I'll be able to print this particular receipt for the parent and give out. So also that's how you can print the various receipts that had been recorded earlier and you had not been able to print them at that particular time. So for example, if I want to check the various transactions for maybe M-Pesa Paybill, so I'll just select account M-Pesa Paybill and click filter. So currently we don't have any because of that particular date. So maybe if we select an account and then we need to set a given date range, so maybe from January, let's just say from January last year, or say December 1st last year to February, we are currently March 1st. Okay, so we just select the date range, click apply. So we can view, click filter. So we don't have any transactions there. We can decide to check another bank. So you see for Equity we only have 2 transactions. We can check again from another bank, and then you can see we have there for this particular bank KCB we have these transactions recorded. You can decide also to filter by payment method. So we have these various payment methods. So if it's bank, just click bank, click filter to give you the payment methods which have been filtered by bank only. Also, you can decide to just view all transactions for a given date range. So select the date range, and then all you have to do is just click filter. And now I have all the transactions recorded for the given date range. And then from here you can also do the same, filter by account or by payment or by bank. So maybe okay, so it's the same. So you can decide with that. You can view all the transactions that have occurred for a given period. So you can filter by any payment method only, by the year, by given class, or by the account, or then just search for a given admission number. So with that you'll be able to get all the payment methods. If you also want to search from all of these, you can just decide to type in here a given admission number, and it will also give you that particular transaction for those particular students. So that's how you look at the daily transactions for a given date range, and also from there you can print the receipts. So with that daily transactions also, you can print the daily transactions if you want to. So just click print, or you can import them in Excel, or you can, yeah. So with this you can have these daily transactions, or you can import them in Excel. Also, under finance we have these payment transactions. So payment transactions also will show you all the payments that have been made. It's somehow the same as the daily transactions. So you see, but with payment transactions now, we have various different things to look at. So under payment transactions, let's say for example, you want to search for payments for a given admission number. If it's this admission number, you just type in here admission number, maybe that's click search. It will generate all the payment transactions for that particular student. With this now, you'll be able to reverse a given payment. So maybe for example, you made a mistake in recording the payment. All you have to do is just click reverse and then record that payment again. We have the various options. So if you want to edit a given payment, now maybe the date was recorded wrongly, so you can, under this the green button, you can change the edit, the date, the time, payment method, the bank, and then the year. So I'll just click edit, so that way you can be able to change the various options. So if you have made a mistake in recording the amount, you just click reverse and then do receive the payment again. But if you want to change any of the details under term, year, account, payment method, you just click here edit, change any of the edit only any of these, click save. Also we have this various option of action. So from here you can view the statement, you can print this particular receipt also. So also from here you can print receipt, and also we have this reassign. So reassign is when maybe you want this particular amount that has been paid for fee, you can decide to reassign it to another vote. So maybe it's that. So that one has been reassigned. That's how you reassign a given amount to a given vote. Also, we have the statement. You can read the statement from here. It will show you the statement for a given student. And then we have receipting. So it's the same thing, you can print receipt under payment transactions also. Yeah, so we have statement, print, and also reassign. You can reverse, you can edit any of the dates or anything, any error that you have made under payment method, account, the term, the year, and the date under payment transactions. Okay, so next we look at the fee invoice transactions, transport invoice, and the various adjustment transactions.